Hey guys, today I found out about this cool thing called Google Keep. If you go to keep.google.com, you can get to it. For this, though, for some of the things I'm going to need to show you, it would be helpful to go to the Chrome Web Store. So chrome.google.com and search Google Keep. Okay, when you get there, you'll see this. It's a little light bulb symbol, and then you'll go over to a button like this that'll say Add to Chrome. Then you'll have this little button up in the corner that says Save to Keep, okay, or it has a little light bulb symbol. Then you'll know you are ready to go with it. All right, so when you get to Keep, your main screen should look like this. One of the first cool things you can do with it is make a list. All right, say you've got homework and you know you've got something in science that's really important that you need to remember to do. So science, and you've got volcano project. So volcano project. But you want to make it clear that the volcano project is different. I mean, it's a part of science, okay? So what you do is you go to your keyboard and you go to the control button in the left-hand corner, and at the same time that you press the control button, you'll also press this button right under the plus or equals key that has kind of an end bracket. So you'll press control and that end bracket key at the same time while you're clicked on Volcano Project, and it will indent itself. All right, so now you know you have a science assignment and it's Volcano Project. Once you're done with that, you can click it and it'll cross it off automatically for you. While you're in that list, you can also make it a different color. Say you want to make it blue, all right? Or say you're not done with your volcano project and you need a reminder later today at 8 p.m. that you really need to finish it before tomorrow. So you can set yourself a reminder. What you can also do is if you click this little key, the three dots on top of each other, you could add a label. All right, you could label it January, okay, maybe the month, depending on how you want to sort it, and then it's always going to be in that January tab when you look for it. Or you can find it in Notes. Notes will have all your notes, but you can label things and it will have it searchable just by that label. Okay, so there you go. That's one of the things you can do. Another thing you can do, say you're out on Spotify, you're hanging out, you're listening to something, and you remember that your teacher said, hey, we read chapters 2 through 5 today, and I want you to find a song that relates to one of the characters. Okay, so you're on Spotify looking through songs, and you decide, hey, I think, let's see, I think Empire State of Mind reminds me of one of the characters. So what you would do is you go up to that little light bulb, you click it, and you could take a note right on that screen that says Empire State of Mind reminds me of JT in chapter 2. All right, you go back to your Google Keep and it'll automatically be there with a link to Spotify, right to that album or right to that song, okay? And then you can share that with your teacher by typing in their email and they will automatically have that and your assignment's done, okay? Another thing you can do is say you're on Google Classroom, you click into a Google Doc with your assignment and you've got a poetry assignment. The directions are write an original poem based on a poem that you like. Share both below. Okay, so you're looking through poems and you find one you really like. Okay, so you're gonna save this Rudy Francisco poem. So what you wanna do is you wanna right click and go down to Google Keep Chrome extension, save image to keep. Okay, go back to your Google Keep and you have that image, you have a link, and you've decided, hey, this is the poem, and nope. The poem that you're going to write is, I didn't know who I was at 15. I don't know who I am now, but I hope if she could see me, she'd be proud of who I became. Maybe not all the things I've done, but where I'm going and who I want to be. Okay, so that's the poem. You could title that poetry assignment. All right, but wait, I know you're thinking, hey, I can share that with my teacher from here. But your teacher wants it in that Google Classroom or wants it in that Google Doc. So what you can do is you're in that Google Doc, you click that handy little keep sign right next to there, and you can just pull all of this right in, okay? So copy, paste, and copy image. Paste image. Maybe make that image a little smaller so it's kind of close to the size of your poem. Press the keep sign away to make it go away. And there you go. You can submit that assignment. So that's just some of the stuff you can do with Google Keep. I'm sure you could explore it even more to see what you could link, what you could create, maybe what you could draw. But that's just some of the stuff that I thought of that maybe you could do with it. All right, have fun. See you later, guys. Bye.